students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Students, we are going to learn new chapter, that is coordinate geometry, that is 7th chapter. Okay, the coordinate geometry also called 2D geometry, that is two-dimensional geometry. 2D geometry is also called two-dimensional geometry. That is, we know two dimension is nothing but x comma, that is ordered plane. We know we learned in class 9 ordered pair. What is x and y? X is a x-axis coordinate, y is y-axis coordinate. In class 9 we have seen that locate the position of the point. How to locate position of the point on a plane. For that, what is the required thing? We require a pair of mutual perpendicular lines. That is mutual perpendicular lines. We know horizontal line and other one is vertical line. This is we know from class 9 you studied coordinate geometry one chapter completely. How to locate the position of the point. That for that what we require here? Mutual perpendicular lines. This horizontal line is called what is x-axis. What is that? X-axis. And this side is can write as x dash. Okay. Now the vertical line is called y-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. And this one here y dash. Okay. This intersecting these two axes, x-axis and y-axis, intersecting point here, this intersecting point is called what is origin. What is this? Origin. This origin is denoted by generally O. That here both intersecting point, what is here? 0, 0. Why it is 0, 0? I think you know the from class 6th and 7th you learned this. Again we will recap that one. Actually, this x-axis and y-axis both are number lines. Both are number lines. Here we know the middle of the point is what is 0. Here positive side 1, 2, 3, so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, so on. Here middle point is what is here? 0. And the other one y-axis also, if you take like this number line. Okay. Now here also same 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, so on. If these two number lines intersecting at one place, like mutually perpendicular, then this 0 and 0 both are intersecting at same place. This is the vertical line, this you take as a horizontal line. If you two intersecting at one place, what is here? 0, 0. Here horizontal line is called what is x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Now you got, I think, how we got 0, 0. The number lines are intersecting at one place, that is origin. First point is 0 and second point also, both are intersecting. X value is 0 and y value also 0. Okay. Now this is suppose if you fill plain paper or it is a plane or plane surface. If you draw x-axis, y-axis mutual perpendicular, the whole plane is divided into 4 parts. The whole plane is divided into 4 parts. That is first part, second part, third part and fourth part. What is this first part is called? The first part is called what is? First quadrant. What is that? First quadrant. And second one is second quadrant. Okay, next one is third quadrant and last one is fourth quadrant. Here observe x-axis and y-axis. We know what is it? Number lines. Here from intersecting point we know that is number line. Here what is the points now? Numbers we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. This is the number line. And origin left side what is here? This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Same way y-axis from origin upside. Okay, what is here? Positive. That is same way positive number side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. Same down from origin to down what is negative minus 1, -2, -3, -4, so on down. Okay. Now observe children in this. In the first quadrant, x part. What is x part here? Total positives. Here x part is total positives. In the y-axis part, this part only we are observing now. First quadrant. Here y-axis part what is? Only positives. That means in the first quadrant, x comma y, both are x comma y, both are what is? Positives. Plus and plus. Clear? Now come to the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, what is here? In the second quadrant, observe first one, what we are writing generally? X-axis points. What is x1 here? Negative. Yes. X comma y, both are, x value is negative and y value is what is? Positive. Means minus comma plus. X is minus and y is plus. Now come to the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, what is here? X first. X is negative and here y is also negative. That means x comma y, both are here negative, minus and minus. Both are negatives because here also negative, here also negative. Come to the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, what is observed here? First, what is x-axis coordinate? That is positive. And next one, what is here? Y coordinates. All are negatives. That means in the fourth quadrant, what is here? Plus and minus. Okay, plus and minus. This whole thing is what is called here? Coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. Here x comma y is what is called coordinates. X is called what is? X-axis coordinate. X-axis coordinate. X-axis coordinate. And y is called what is here? Y-axis coordinate. Y-axis coordinate. Clear children in this? This together, okay, this whole thing is called what is? Coordinate system. What is this whole thing is called? Whole thing is called coordinate system. Coordinate system. Also, we have another name for this one. Cartesian coordinate system. Why it is Cartesian coordinate system? Because this introduced coordinate geometry or 2D, two-dimensional geometry introduced the famous mathematician René Descartes. René Descartes. That's why the name of this one, what is here last ending? Descartes. Because of that, it is Cartesian coordinate system. Also, this is the general totally is it's a coordinate geometry is related to only Cartesian coordinate system, that is x-axis and y-axis. This is what is 2D geometry. We have 3D geometry also, but in future, like higher classes, you have to study 3D. Means here in the 2D geometry, you have only x-axis and y-axis. In 3D geometry, we have like z-axis also. One more x, y, z. That's why it's a 3D geometry. Now children observe here, both are positives. That means x greater than 0 and y greater than 0 in first quadrant. Come to the second quadrant here, what is minus? That means x less than 0 and y greater than 0 because y is a positive. Now come to this one, x comma y both are negatives. Here x less than 0, negative means it's less than 0 and y less than 0. Next in the fourth quadrant, what is here? Plus 1. That means x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. This clearly I think you got everyone. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here, the distance of a point from the x-axis. The distance of a point from x-axis is called, it's a y coordinate. So suppose from this is whole horizontal line is what is here? X-axis. From here to this distance what is 1? Here 2, 3, 4, 5. Here downside minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, this all. This is called what is here? Y coordinates. clearly the distance of a point from the x-axis. From the x-axis. This all what is here? Y coordinates. This also y coordinates. Same way, the distance of from the y-axis. From y-axis. What is this? All are points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is x-axis points. Here also negatives. This is what is x coordinates. From y-axis, whatever is the distance, that is the x coordinate. From x-axis, whatever is the distance, what is called? It is x, y coordinate. Here, this is x coordinate and this one is y coordinate. Whatever it. Okay. Now, on the x-axis, what is the coordinates? X comma y coordinate. Suppose here 1. That means what is the point here? Generally 1 comma 0, because there is no y term. Here all is generally how to write on the x-axis any point, negative side or positive side. That is, you can write as the x comma 0. On the y-axis, how to write the point on the y-axis? Suppose if you are selecting this one, in this point what is the x value? 0. Then how to write here? 0 comma 1. Generally we can write as here 0 comma y. Clear, students? On x-axis x comma 0, on y-axis 0 comma y. Here between these two, what is the point? Intersecting point is 0 comma 0. That is origin 0 comma x0 and y also 0. Yes, children. Now we will go for the next. What is the we have to find? What we are going to find? Distance formula. Distance formula. How to find the distance between two points? X coordinate. Another name of for this x coordinate is abscissa. Okay, and y coordinate. Another name is ordinate. What is here? Ordinate.